Ladies and gentlemen, our celebrity couple, Mikael Diaz and Megan Young Diaz. To join them in the ribbon cutting ceremony, the CEO of J Park Island Resort and Water Park Mactan CEO, Mr. Jason Oy. To officially cut our ribbon in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the grand opening of the Brides at Triton Wedding Expo 2024. Thank you very much. Now we'd like to ask our team from J Park, our sponsors, to join our VIPs for one big celebratory photo opportunity. I'd like to call on
And I'll take the piece of right.
you in this new journey of love stories all around here at the Brides of Triton Wedding Expo 2024.
Yes, sige. Contact her.
And our group are here and are very excited to show you the beautiful Brides at Triton Wedding Expo. Ladies and gentlemen, our venue styling is brought to us by the wonderful hands of the work of Hans. And
Megan, aka Bones.
And this is my husband, Mikael, aka Fofo.
And I think some of you know that. So thank you very much for following us. And we're very, very happy to be here.
Yes. Tama ba pag good morning in Cebuanas, maayong buntag?
Yes.
Okay. Well, maayong buntag sa inyo. And thank you so much for having us. We're really happy to be here at this event. And we've been here in J Park for the past couple of days, just relaxing before this event. So thank you, J Park, for taking such
Going
good
down the
care of
slides.
us. Going down the slides, so I suggest for the newlywed bride and groom to test your love for each other. Kailangan mag-slides kayo. Masaya siya, in fairness. You spend what you have. So that's the mindset that we had going in. Mikael, jump on.
I have something,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
I tend to be a bit more practical. So just in anything in life, you can't have everything. It's almost impossible to do that.
Yes.
So just like your wedding, you have so many different elements. You have the church, you have the design, you have the food, you have the entertainment, drinks. So I told Megan, why don't we rank? Rank what is most important. Just put numbers on it.
What your priority is.
Number 1 for us is food.
Yeah.
1A and 1A was food, 1B was coffee.
Yeah.
So I told her, okay, that is what we will spend on the most, or that is where we will allocate our budget.
So doon kami nag-splurge.
So kami pinaka nag-splurge. Food and coffee. But true enough, when we were doing our food, we actually realized that you didn't also have to go all out. Because the most expensive item on our food buffet was the steak.
No, but then we lowered it down to like a
But
roast
the thing-
beef.
Yeah, the next tier after the steak was like a roast beef, which is like 70% cheaper.
But
And I
just
was
as good.
After a drink or two, you won't taste the difference between the steak and the beef. For personal experience, I was like, okay, let's take this a tier lower.
Yeah, so we were just trying to adjust where we could and see what was more practical, what would people eat, and what would they enjoy. And of course, pagdating sa food, Mikael had one special request. He asked for a halo-halo bar.
Yun lang.
Yeah, that was his only request for the whole wedding.